Hello, let's make a different kind of hummus, which is popular in Egypt. To make hummus with fava beans, we need 1 cup of dried fava beans, zest and juice of 2 limes, 2 garlic cloves, 2 tablespoons of tahini, 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of pepper. To garnish, 1 medium tomato, 2 tablespoons of butter or ghee, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, which is totally optional. First thing we should do is soaking the beans in water. After 24 hours, you can easily remove the skin. If you leave the skin on, your hummus will not be smooth. Also, the color will be dirty cream and not very appealing. Okay, now the skins are off and ready to cook. For 1 cup of beans, add 3 cups of water. It takes about 1 hour to cook. Meanwhile, let's make the caramelized onions. After cutting the onion in moon shapes, place them in a non-stick frying pan. It is very important that the first 5 minutes do not add any butter. Let the juice of onion evaporate. After 5 minutes, lower the heat and add butter or ghee. If you are vegan, use olive oil instead. On a very low heat, let the onion cook for about 15 minutes and stir time to time. We have 2 limes. Let's zest and juice them while waiting for our caramelized onion to get ready. After 1 hour, the beans are ready. Let it cool for 10 minutes or so. It's time to use a blender to mix all the ingredients. Add the tahini to the cooked beans, add lime juice and zest, extra virgin olive oil, and finally salt and pepper. Blend it well. I use a hand blender, but you can use any kind of blender you have at home. Blend until you end up with a smooth, creamy paste. Garnish with caramelized onion, tomato, and chili flakes. Enjoy!